Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll share some clever techniques for creating slide transitions using Filmora. When I was a beginner searching for video editing tutorials, I noticed many people using this transition, yet I couldn't find any tutorials specifically addressing it. That's why I've put together this tutorial. I believe it will be immensely beneficial for beginners looking to master this skill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's jump straight into this thrilling tutorial. I have imported a video footage. Add video to the timeline. Forward the playhead at 3 seconds duration. Split the clip at that position. Forward the playhead at 5 seconds duration, and split the clip again. Select the split clip, and make some changes to the color. I have just made some random color changes. However, my color grading knowledge is very poor. It is time to add transitions. Go to the Transitions tab and search Universal. Add Transition Universal Vlog Pack Transition 02 to the split clip. Now you have to add the same transitions again at the end of the split clip. You can try different transitions with different parameters. You can also use two different transitions at the starting point and end point of the split clip. That's all from this tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.